Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. In today's recipe I'm going to show how to make chicken dry fry. Very simple recipe. I've taken one whole chicken. For that, for the marination, what you need is you need to ginger garlic paste, which is 1 tablespoon. I've taken curd yogurt 1 cup. One each of a lemon which I've squeezed. Juice to make it tangy flavor. What I also need is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry coriander powder, and quarter teaspoon of Kasuri methi. Kasuri methi, what I have done is I have roasted and I have made powder. That is optional if you want to use, but it gives you a better flavor. 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Also what we need is salt to taste, and black pepper powder. Now for this what we need is a drop of red color, 2 drops. Red color is optional if you want to use it. If you want to skip it, you can also skip if you don't want a red in color. Now this, we need to mix it properly. I check this out, this is already marinated now. It's already mixed well. What we have to do is, we need to keep this in the refrigerator for at least minimum 2 hours. If you want to keep it overnight, it's well and good. It gives you a better flavor, but minimum you have to keep it for 2 hours in the refrigerator. So friends, we'll start with the frying of chicken. Pan is already hot. We'll add oil. Start to arrange chicken pieces. Guys, remember, as I have said, you need to keep the chicken at least a minimum of 2 hours in the refrigerator. Guys, check out the color. Because of the steam, as my camera is not catching its proper color, it's a nice red, as I've added red color. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't want the red in color, you can skip adding color. Guys, this one side is ready now. I will turn the chicken. Guys, check this out. The one side is ready now. Now we'll keep this on medium flame and we'll leave it on flame till it is 100% cooked. Guys, check this out. This is ready now. This is ready to be served. I'm going to turn off the flame. Check out the color. This is nice and juicy. Check this out. This is the final outcome of chicken dry fry. Came out very nice. I have tried it. Do check my recipe, follow each and every step. It will come out nice. Do subscribe my channel, tell your friends and family as well, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much.